Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have NZE engine. This vehicle has a problem with misfire, so today I'm going to show you how to solve that misfire. Let me start the vehicle. Let's go and confirm. You hear that sound? Valve idling. To solve that problem, I'm going to remove the cover. Like that. Then we have ignition coil. There are 4. So I'm going to unscrew all of them. Like that. So coil 4, there's no any change. See? Coil 3, the engine is shaking. It's okay. Coil 2, the same. Coil 1, the same. Coil 3, nothing. So here the main problem is coil 4. So I'm going to swap between coil 1 and coil 4. So if it does the same, so the problem is the coil. I'm doing that because sometimes you can find out the plug, or sometimes the problem can be the nozzle. So this is the coil 4. Then this is the coil 1. So coil 1 I'm going to swap on coil 4. The coil 4 I'm going to swap on coil 1. Like that. So let me start the vehicle. Let me try. We still have a misfire. Coil 4 is performing. Coil 1 now. So meaning the problem is ignition coil. So I'm going to swap with a new one. Like this. This is the new coil. So let me start the vehicle. See, the engine is smooth. See, it's okay. So here the main fault code was the coil, ignition coil. So the engine is perfect. So I'm going to install everything back. Another thing here is PCV valve, the oil leakage. Look at this oil. So the problem is this PCV valve. I think it is blocked by carbon deposit. This is the valve I'm talking about. I'm going to clean using the petrol. That. Just like that. Then I'm going to install back. I think right now we are done. So the problem with the PCV and ignition coil. So I'm going to clean that oil. See, after that I'm going to install cover back. I think right now we are done. So when a vehicle has a misfire, the problem can be the ignition coil, nozzle, or spark plugs, or mass airflow sensor, oxygen sensor, camshaft, crankshaft sensor can cause a misfire. So you eliminate one by one. So in this vehicle, the problem with the ignition coil. Then you need to check the oil level. And then the coolant level, okay. It's okay. So you're ready to go. So after changing the ignition coil and PCV valve, let me start the vehicle. Wow. very smooth. Acceleration is smooth, no rough idling, no stalling. So let's go and confirm the exhaust. See, right now exhaust is sounding better than previous. So here the main fault code was the ignition coil and PCV valve. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.